Hello and welcome to our tutorial on making easy DIY black and white resin coasters for beginners. In this video, we'll walk you through the simple steps to make your own stylish and unique coasters using just a few materials. Black and white resin coasters are a great way to add a touch of elegance and sophistication to your home decor. These coasters are made by mixing pigments with epoxy resin, which is then poured into a mold and left to cure. The result is a beautiful, glossy coaster with a swirling, marbled pattern. These coasters are not only beautiful, but they are also very practical. They provide a protective barrier between your furniture and your drink, preventing water rings and other damage. They can also be easily cleaned with a soft cloth. Black and white resin coasters can be used to protect your furniture from scratches, water stains, and other damage that can be caused by glasses, cups, or other beverage containers. These coasters are typically made of durable and heat-resistant resin material, making them an excellent choice for hot and cold drinks. To use your black and white resin coasters, simply place them on your table or other furniture surface before placing your drink on top of them. When you're finished using them, you can simply wipe them clean with a damp cloth or rinse them with water if they become dirty. In addition to their practical use, black and white resin coasters can also add a stylish touch to your home decor. The contrast between the black and white colors of the coasters can make for a striking look that complements many different interior design styles. There are many black and white resin coaster ideas that you can try. Here are a few suggestions. Geometric. Create a set of coasters that feature different geometric shapes, such as triangles, circles, or squares, in black and white. This can create a modern and minimalist look. Marble. Use black and white resin to create a marble effect on your coasters. You can use a toothpick to swirl the colors together and create a unique design on each coaster. Yin Yang. Create a Yin Yang symbol in black and white on a set of coasters. This can be perfect for those who enjoy Eastern philosophy or want to add a touch of balance and harmony to their decor. Stripes. Create a set of coasters with black and white stripes. You can choose to have thick or thin stripes, or alternate between both, depending on your personal preference. Polka dots. Make a set of coasters with black and white polka dot. This can be a fun and playful addition to your decor. Floral. Use black and white resin to make a set of coasters with a floral design. This can be perfect for those who want to add a touch of elegance and sophistication to their decor. Abstract. Create a set of coasters with an abstract design in black and white. This can be a great way to showcase your creativity and experiment with different techniques. Making resin coasters can be a fun and creative DIY project. Here are some general steps to make resin coasters. For making black and white resin coasters first, let's go over the materials you'll need. Epoxy resin, black and white dye, mixing cups, stir sticks, a silicone mold, a heat gun or torch, and protective gloves and eyewear. Now that we have our materials ready, let's get started on the process. First, measure out equal parts of the epoxy resin and hardener into separate mixing cups. Next, add a few drops of black dye to one cup and a few drops of white dye to the other cup. Stir each mixture thoroughly for about 2-3 minutes, making sure to scrape the sides and bottom of the cup to mix evenly. Once both mixtures are ready, pour them slowly and evenly into the silicone mold, alternating between the black and white mixtures. Use a heat gun or torch to remove any bubbles that form on the surface of the mixture, being careful not to hold the tool too close to the mold. Let your coasters cure for at least 24 hours, or until the resin is completely hardened. Then, carefully remove them from the mold, and enjoy your beautiful black and white resin coasters. And there you have it, a simple and easy tutorial on making DIY black and white resin coasters for beginners. Also remember to check and follow the specific instructions provided in your resin kit, and feel free to experiment with different add-ins and designs for your resin coasters. We hope you enjoyed this video and learned something new today. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more DIY and crafting tutorials. Thanks for watching.